cut the end of this board off. Doesn't have to be pretty, not fancy, just to put a point on it so it goes in the ground easier. Now what we're going to do is some more like that. We're going to hammer them in like we did there for fence posts with a sledgehammer, like this. Alright? So follow me, you'll see. Incidentally, this lumber was free. Yeah, this was all free reclaimed lumber. It was used for concrete forms and bridge work and then thrown in the dumpster. Hillbilly, the trucking company Hillbilly drives for, I paid to haul it off to the dump, and I intercepted some before the dump. Hinges, you got hinges? Maybe some horseshoe nails? doing is just putting some screws in here halfway. Now, I'm going to hook the wire like so here. I'm going to pull it up tight and hook it on this screw here. But I got to pull it this way first. So I'm going to start in the middle and pull it taut and hook it like that. Then this one too. Pull it down and towards me, if you will. Then the top is the same way. Back up, pull this way and then up and stretch your wire. See, that's what you have. I know all these critics are worried about the space here. I don't know if I'll put another stake in there, roll a rock against it or what. It's only to keep out the groundhog. What's the other side look like? The other side kind of lays there loose too. It settles in. I don't really think the groundhog's got the brains to get under it. If he does, we'll deal with it then. If I was putting livestock like chickens or something in here, it'd have to be a little tougher because a fox or a coyote would go under there, but they could jump that too. But what I did here is I just hooked a bungee cord on that screw over the top and around that screw, then back down into the fence, and that holds this whole corner together, just like we showed you the other side. This is just another way to hook it shut. We got screws in here. We got it hooked on the screws. This one's popping, but that's all right. I'm gonna hook the bungee on the screw, bring it all the way up, around the screw on top, and back on here. And that's all you need to hold the fence up. And then there's it is. There's the garden fenced in, not fast. For a $24 roll, and then a piece about 16 feet long that I had here. I might see if the rest is long enough and fence this off too. Keep that rotten groundhogs out of there. Put this fence up yesterday around the garden here, and then we had battery failure. You didn't get to see I changed it. I went from that corner to this fence, and then from this corner here, now it goes all the way over here. And I used an old dog kennel where I ran out of wire just to close that gap up there. And then I put plywood on the back side of this fence and screwed it fast, so Pakistani Phil can't get underneath of there anymore. That plywood goes up like right here, good 2.5 feet off the ground. And then I was using these rubber mats and stuff to kill the weeds off